If you are not mouth taping while you sleep, you are seriously missing out. Since I started using mouth tape at night, I have had the most deep, restful sleep that I have ever had. By not breathing through our mouth when we sleep, we can help reduce cavities and bad breath in the morning. I also recently learned that it can change the structure of your face. Yes, please. Who doesn't want a snatched jawline? I know I do. I've tried a few different ones and I really like the brand Shush Tape. This is what they look like. They come in a pack of 30. Also really nice and stretchy and breathable. They're super easy to apply. They don't hurt when we're removing them and leave a residue behind like the other brands do. If you want the most amazing restful sleep, you need to try these.